here in Baguio, and this morning I'm going to Dagupan. Well, that's going to be my first stop. So this is the type of vans they use. There's a choice. You can go in a van or you can go by bus. The buses don't seem to have air conditioning, so I made a choice to go in the van instead. So it's 180 pesos a seat. It's going to be about 2 hours from here. 180 pesos right now. It's mid-July 2022, and the peso right now is valued at 56 pesos for every US dollar. So 180, yeah, like $4, $3.50, something like that for a 2 hour ride. So that's kind of comparable when I was traveling in Ecuador. Very similar price. So that's pretty cool. And to be in a van, maybe it's a little bit faster. There's air conditioning. I had to pay so there's no place to store your bags. So you have to put your bags on a seat, and I had to do that. So I had to pay like double the price because I had to pay for a seat for my bags as well. But yeah, that's just the way it is. So here's the van that I'm taking off in. You can see they got lots of vans here. So there's the information if you're traveling through the Philippines and you want to give them a call. Yeah, it looks like they got a pretty big office here with lots of different vans that head out. So
you started a fire somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is thrown all wide. 'Cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if they really care. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but let's not go there. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Somehow in this small place, minds begin to shrink when everyone is too fake. Your hope eventually sinks, 'cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if there's a way out. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but I won't have it. Telling you, pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this time. I don't wanna waste no time, feel it coming now, it's a sign. Never felt like this in my life, not waiting a minute. Awaken my spirit now. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Stay
All right, we're here at the lighthouse in Bolinao. Bolinao Lighthouse. So, do not know what to expect, but I'm thinking there's probably going to be a pretty good. What, babe?
For you. Look at this one. It is a grasshopper. Yeah. I was asking if they have the size for you.
Right, yeah. Yeah.
Nice one, right?
It's pretty big. I'm surprised at how tall it is.
Is it not possible to enter that one?
I don't think so. Oh, there must be. It wouldn't be open. I doubt. What's it say? All right, it's the second tallest lighthouse in the Philippines, and century-old, built by Filipino, American, and British engineers in 1905. 351 feet above sea level. Punta Piedra Point is where we are. A towering hill of solid rock, which is the sharp point of Cape Bolinao itself. The lighthouse provides a panoramic view of the West Philippine Sea. "20 miles mid-sea towards the lighthouse. 120 steps. Oh, 134 steps to the top. Oh my goodness. We are here at Patar Beach. It says that you have to pay 40 pesos, but
Okay.
I haven't seen anything yet. So now we're just going to take our walk down to the beach. Are you ready to see the beach, babe? Yeah?
Awan ba dumi nga awis mo? You could just, he was asking if you're going to head to the, you will head to the water.
No. I have a other water camera, but I didn't bring it. Look at everything. Oh my goodness. Nice, right? So, definitely lots of locals. But cool spot. Lots of little bamboo, little huts you can hang out on. Hang out at. everybody sort of like has a picnic, right?
What's your YouTube channel?
Flyby drones.
Same, same.
Okay.
All right. This is
All
my
right.
family.
Yes,
family.
we've arrived.
It's my family.
Hello, family. Hi, everybody.
Yeah.
It's the neighbor.
Let's focus the camera.
Yeah.
Family is the neighbor. What's up, what's your
Jay.
Jay.
Katagumpay? Ay, sorry. What's up, Jay?
Flyby drone.
Flyby drones.
Brother Jones,
Yeah.
you're subscribe and like and share. No comment. This is my family.
Yeah.
I know I messed it up, but in my soul, I feel a love for you that's out of control. Sometimes I feel like I can make you whole. I just can't change my emotions. There isn't anything I wouldn't do to prove that everything I say is true. And if you let me, I'll keep loving you. I just can't change my emotions. Come on.
So what I thought would just be like a regular mango shake turns out to be mango with graham cracker and caramel. Who would have thought? It is so tasty. Oh my God, it's so good. It's so good. So if you're ever in Bolinao, Philippines, at Patar Beach, you got to look for this little shop. Really, really, really good.